What's up everybody, it's your boy Billions here. Let's be real, that college degree, it's not the golden ticket to riches anymore. Education is important, but a degree alone won't guarantee you a fat bank account. I started making YouTube videos as a side thing, and look at me now. I turned my passion into a multi-million-dollar empire. The key is to start early and find something you love that can also make you some serious cash. That's why I'm dropping some serious knowledge bombs today with 7 side hustles you can start right now, even if you're still in school. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. First up, faceless short-form content. Create killer content for platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels without ever showing your face. Voiceovers, text on screen, animations, the possibilities are endless. Stay anonymous and still rake in those views, followers, and brand deals. Next, let's talk about investing. You don't need a trust fund to start investing. With dollar-cost averaging, you can start building your empire with just a few bucks. Invest small amounts consistently, like $5 a week, into the stock market using apps like Trading 212. It's like having a financial superpower that grows your money over time. Are you a math whiz? A coding ninja? Turn your knowledge into cash by becoming an online coach. Students are always looking for help in specific subjects. Platforms like Zoom or Skype make it easy to connect with students from all over the world. Set your own rates, work from anywhere, and be your own boss. Build your tribe, create a Discord community, and profits. Turn your passions into a thriving online community and make bank while doing it. Find your niche, create a Discord server, and start hosting events, sharing exclusive content, and connecting with like-minded people. Monetize your community through memberships, sponsorships, or by selling your own merchandise. Luxury flipping turn designer deals into big bucks. Reselling high-end items like designer handbags, sneakers, or watches can be a lucrative side hustle. Find amazing deals on platforms like eBay, Poshmark, or The RealReal, then resell them for a profit. It takes some savvy shopping skills, but the payoff can be huge. AI animation. Let robots draw you to financial freedom. AI animation tools have made it easier than ever to create professional-looking animations. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for high-quality animations for their websites, social media, and marketing materials. Learn AI animation software, create a killer portfolio, and start pitching your services to clients. Wordsmith to wealth, get paid to write. If you have a knack for crafting compelling content, online writing can be your ticket to financial freedom. From blogging to freelance writing to creating content for websites, the opportunities are endless. Work from anywhere in the world with just a laptop and an internet connection. So there you have it, 7 side hustles that can empower you to take control of your finances and build the future you deserve. Remember, the key is to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because the perfect moment is now. Pick a side hustle that excites you, start small, and stay consistent. Drop your favorite side hustle in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more epic videos on how to level up your life and your bank account. Until next time, peace out.